It's been a while, been a while.
Hi guys, what's up? My name is Mercedes. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am basically doing a how to make your room aesthetic. So how to make your room pleasing and just all of that. And before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and of course please subscribe and become a part of the family. And yeah, let's just get on to the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.